Right, so let's get the fun train running on the tracks with some viral videos. If you have seen them before, you'd agree they were funny the first time, but they might still get you a laugh now. Let's have a look.
It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, all 'cause you won't listen. I'm not alone in a crossroad. I'm not at home in my own world. And I try to
Just easy. Don't ever sing again. Don't sing. You can't sing. You're making my eyes deaf.
What was that? Yeah, what was that?
She thought she sounded like Whitney, but when they cut the track, man, that's nowhere close. Oh. You know why I laugh? 'Cause I know some people like that. When they sing with the track, them sound good, but turn on the music, problems.
But I'm a good singer.
It's true.
I am.
It's true.
But that was kind of funny still.
Can we see the next video?
Please. See the remote. No, just say what? Show it again. You see the man use the remote. Oh, answer.
It's an electronic gate.
That's it. Lock it back. Wow, what is that? Ow! Ooh, what a weird that is.
In the middle of rural somewhere.
Yeah, that's just what a weird that is. Why I'm laughing. Run the next one. What's this though?
Hello. I'm looking for a book. What book? Facebook.
You know, I could actually see me doing that. I like how Mr. Duns me could have seen myself ask for Facebook.
Actually, you know what? Have you heard that story about when RJR just went on the web?
No.
Or we just established could have been a website and had www.rjrgroup.com. There's a lady who actually came to the front desk because she wanted to see the web that we had.
You lie?
I'm not joking. I'm dead. So she came to visit because it said visit the World Wide Web, visit RJR on the World Wide Web. She came to the front desk to find out where the web.
Someone never swear.
Where was
the web, by the way?
Out into space in the internet land. But she wanted to see the actual physical web because she didn't understand that.
Yes.
Can you run back that one with the gate again? Because that one them mad.
No,
we need one gate like that.
No, me want one myself.
Honestly. Okay. Kadina, you out of viral videos?
Yeah, we finished with that.
I saw quite a few this week.
See. Yeah. My
No,
boy
honestly.
dressed property, you know. I feel like that jacket, that's so heavy. Thinks of that.
I want you to understand that it's a hut he's walking to.
Whoa.
See, it's a hut he's walking.
Whoa, yeah.
Fix up your place here, my youth.
What do you mean?
Probably go and have an electric door
I like it.
and all the rest of it.
Whoa, yeah.
Appreciate that laughter, Karin.
All right, folks, do this still to come. Transformational specialist, Mr. Les Brown, after the break. But before that, it's going to be news in 5
I'm
stages.
alone at a crossroads.
No, sing Night Nurse.
Night Nurse.
Sing
We know you
Night
was
Nurse.
good.
Me
No,
like how
we're
you
not
sing
doing
Night
it.
Nurse.
You're too old, Donna. I'm not doing it. No.